Hello brothers, sisters, yeah, doing this work. Cooking with Sindaco and I'm back again. Yeah, so this product that I'm about to show you is a product that will save you from time, money and space. Yes, I said space. Yeah, so it will save you from this to this. You see the difference? Okay, so over here, let's look at this one. Yeah, so this is the space that will save you. Not only that, it also preserve or prevent your food from getting spoiled. So if you have a meat or fruit or vegetable that's supposed to be in the fridge for 3 or 4 days, this rubber will allow your food to be in the fridge for 8 days and more. So if you have a meat and the meat to be in the freezer for 5 months or 3 months, this rubber will allow your meat to be in the freezer for 1 good year. The product is called food vacuum sealer. Yeah, so this is a food vacuum sealer. What it does is that it takes away the air in the bag, okay, so that everything becomes dried out, because most of the times food gets spoiled because of the air content that is left inside the bag. This will take away the air that will remain in the bag after sealing. Okay, if you go to those supermarkets and shops, you see that we have products in the deep freezer that has been airtight sealed like this. All the air has been taken out. Yeah, they use this machine to do that process or to do that work. So this is a product that I recommend this thing to you. You can use it, and those who go to Africa match, you can buy this, take along with you when coming back and buy your Kobe and all those things. You can use this to package to package your Kobe and all those stuff, yeah, with the bags and everything. So you put the Kobe in your bag, you airtight it, or you take away the vacuum inside the rubber, then you seal it. You're good to go. The scent of the fish or the meat will never come out. Okay, so there's a promotion going on. So this product comes with a box, 8 bags, okay, a food vacuum sealer. It comes with 8 bags, and this is the box. So this is the bag that you can find inside the box, but also they sell additional bags, okay, and this is how it looks like. It's like a roll, so bag in a roll form. In the box you get 2 pieces of roll in the box, okay, and this can take you like, I don't know, a year or something before it finish, depending how much you use it. So there's a promotion going on. If you click on the link, you can buy the product, which is the food vacuum sealer, the product, and also get this 2 bags roll in addition for 50%. Okay, so click the link in the description box. It's Amazon product, so when you click, it will take you to Amazon shop where you can buy this product and also get this extra bags for 50% free. Okay, so this recommendation from Cooking with Sindaco to you guys, because since I'm doing food and this is about food, like I've tried it and I'm recommending this to you guys. Okay, so click on the link and get yourself this food vacuum sealer that will help you save money, time, space, and also prevent your food from spoiling early. Yeah, so let's do this again for Shazam and Nizzle. Get yours, or go to one.